DIY Sims Plumblob. Basically, you're going to start off with a cardboard 12 by 12 paper, and you're going to fold it in half, and then you're going to take it, open it up, flip it the other way, and fold it in half again. Then you're going to open it, fold it over horizontally. See what I did? Then take it and do it again on the other side. Pay attention. Then you're going to take that, flip it up, and then fold it into a diamond. So when you fold it, just press the sides in and flip it up, and it should go as easy as this. Alright, the next step is to take the diamond, take a piece and fold it over kind of like a page in a book. So you see what I'm doing there, just that piece and folding it into the middle, not over, into the middle. So after I do that, I'm opening it, I'm lifting it up, opening it, and then I'm gonna press it down to kind of form more pages in the way it would seem. So after doing that, just gonna fold it over and repeat the process and do it again. And then once you do it for about, like, I think 2 or 3 times, you're gonna flip it over and then do it on the back side for 2 or 3 more times until you get something like this. And then you're gonna do it again on another cardboard stock, so you're gonna need 2, not 1, 2. And then you're gonna take the longer ends and fold them in on the shorter end creases, and then I'm kind of just like holding it to make it easier to stay in place. Once I get that, I super glue it just a little bit, enough to hold it in place with a hanger, and then you can cover it. What I'm just giving you guys a little peek, and you have your Plumblob. Boom.